Hey guys, it's Mr. Johnson, and for this build, we are going to be building Santa Claus. So Santa Claus is pretty simple. Mainly consists of a gear right here connected to a motor right here. The motor is connected to the smart hub and the battery right here. So I basically have this code going continuously as Santa Claus mushes Rudolph and his other reindeer. So it's a fairly simple build. And you see there the gear turning. Let me stop it real quick. The gear is connected to Santa Claus's sleigh with a little axle there connected to this rod. So every time the gear turns, the sleigh moves up and down. And that is the Santa Claus build. The link for the description for step-by-step instructions on how to build Santa Claus is in the description. Hope you have fun.